Well, this weekend we're trying something a little different. I'm out here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We left early this morning. It took me a little over 8 hours to get out here. Followed my friend Will and Fred, also in the T-Bucket Club. This is a National T-Bucket Alliance regional event. So they're gonna have day trips on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to different locations. So they're saying there's gonna be between 30 and 40 of them. So right now the clouds are coming out here, so a lot of guys put them up. I put mine back up. We'll see here in the morning. We're gonna have a meeting about where we're going and who's going where, and I'll see if I could do some more filming. Well, it's Thursday morning. Will's over there drying the car off. Last night we got caught in that rain at the restaurant. I mean, it just downpoured on the way back. So it's like I said, Thursday morning right now. The guys are all getting ready. We're going on a cruise this morning. I'm not sure where, but I think we're gonna leave like another 30 minutes. I think we're heading over here for a meeting, and then we'll be ready to head out of here.
I was start flying when I was what, about 50? No, really? Yeah. 40. What?
this way a little more. That's good. Just straight back, right there. And then over towards it this way a little. Straighten out now. Go ahead. Good. Well, we made it over here. I don't know, it's 30 miles, I think. We're gonna have, they got a big dining room set up for us. We're all gonna have lunch over here. I walk down here and I'll show you some of the other cars that are here.
That's close as I can get. Even Lily told me I did a good job.
I had a pretty good line. I got us out of
Not bad. How are you? And why are we here? Oh, that's great. Now I probably turned it down a little. Really? I could drive 30 miles, pull in.
Like I said, we're all getting ready to go in here and have lunch together. I'll see if I can do a little bit more filming when we get out. They said they're gonna have a cruise tonight. I forget where it's at when we get back. I think it goes at 5 o'clock this evening. We're all going somewhere else. But I'll film it later and we'll see how the day goes. Otherwise, if they get 3 cars away, I can't see them. Well, we had a nice cruise today. It was over there at Barren's State Park and Resort. It was a beautiful park, actually. They had villas you can rent. They had a hotel there, swimming pool, and on the back side of the hotel, you could see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's a huge lake. It's on a lake. Really, really nice, beautiful facility. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't do much filming on the way back. I decided what I'm gonna do is make this into like 3 videos, one for Thursday, one for Friday, and one for Saturday. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on Friday's video.